It is my great pleasure to welcome you back to another interesting tutorial on how to remove goods from cart on 1688 shopping app without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, or Fish, or you want me to source for product from China and import from China to any part of the world, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China from 1688, Pinduoduo, Taoba, or any Chinese e-commerce platform without any stress. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to remove goods from cart on 1688 shopping app. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. Then after you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to head over to your cart. And for you to do that, simply click on here to open your cart. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here from the top. So click on that. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here if you are trying to delete all the items. But if you want to delete one after the three, what you need to do is to simply select the one you want to delete. So let's, for instance, I want to delete this particular one right here. And once you select it, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. And then next thing you need to do is to simply click on confirm right here. And the product will be deleted out of the three. If you want to delete everything, you want to completely remove all the product, what you need to do is to simply click on here. And all the product is going to be selected. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. And what you need to do next is to simply click on here. And all carts become empty. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to remove goods from cart on 1688 shopping apps. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.